The most amazing places in France. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of France, a country where history, culture, and natural beauty come together to create a tapestry of unforgettable destinations. This video is your gateway to some of the most breathtaking places in France. Whether you're a seasoned traveler, a passionate history buff, or someone searching for inspiration, these incredible spots will enrich your appreciation of the world and spark your next adventure. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the wonders that make France truly special. Our journey begins in Paris, a city that defines timeless charm and endless inspiration. Known as the City of Light, Paris offers a captivating blend of elegance, art, and history. No visit to France is complete without witnessing the splendor of the Eiffel Tower. This global icon stands tall as a masterpiece of innovation, inviting you to experience its magic both day and night. Stroll through the cobblestone streets of Montmartre, a district that harks back to the days of Renoir and Picasso. This artistic haven, perched atop Paris's highest hill, bursts with bohemian spirit and an aura of romance. From there, glide along the serene Seine River on a boat cruise, passing by majestic landmarks like Notre Dame Cathedral and the Louvre Museum. Paris is not just a city, it's a feeling, an inspiration, and a story waiting to be lived. From urban elegance, we journey to Mont Saint-Michel, a mesmerizing wonder straight out of a fairy tale. This island monastery rises dramatically from tidal waters on the Normandy coast, a sight so striking it feels almost otherworldly. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Mont Saint-Michel combines stunning architecture with unique geography. As you wander its winding streets and climb towards the abbey at the summit, you'll journey back in time, surrounded by centuries of history and devotion. Witnessing the tide roll in and transform the landscape is an experience you'll never forget, reminding you of nature's profound power. Mont Saint-Michel is not just a destination, it's a portal to another era. Travel south to Provence, a land where the earth comes alive with vibrant beauty. Imagine endless fields of lavender swaying under a golden sun, filling the air with their calming aroma. This region is a haven for relaxation and inspiration, where nature and centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly. But Provence is more than its famous lavender fields. Explore charming villages like Gourdes and Roussillon, where ochre cliffs and stone houses create postcard-perfect scenes. Artists such as Vincent van Gogh were deeply inspired by this land, capturing its beauty on canvas. In Provence, time slows down, and you're reminded of the simple joys in life, the scent of blooming flowers, the beauty of rolling hills, and the peace of a quiet countryside. Next, we arrive in the glamorous French Riviera, a Mediterranean gem that sparkles with luxury and style. The Riviera, also known as the Côte d'Azur, is synonymous with stunning coastline views, opulent resorts, and a sun-soaked ambience that attracts visitors from around the globe. Explore Nice, where art and culture thrive alongside lively markets and pebble beaches. Take a stroll along the Promenade d'Anglais with the glittering sea to one side and the vibrant city to the other. Travel further to Cannes, the home of the world-famous film festival, where the charm of luxury meets an enduring cultural legacy. The French Riviera is the ultimate destination for those who seek beauty, elegance, and relaxation with a touch of glamour. Switching gears from luxury, we head north to one of France's natural wonders, Etretat in Normandy. Here, dramatic chalk cliffs and natural arches rise against the backdrop of the sea, creating a view that has inspired countless artists and writers. The iconic white cliffs, shaped over millennia, stand as a testament to nature's artistry. Walk along the coastal trails and take in the fresh sea breeze while marveling at landmarks like the famous Arch and Needle Rock formations. Whether you're capturing the perfect photo or immersing yourself in the peace of the landscape, Etretat offers a rejuvenating retreat for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Continuing with nature's marvels, we venture to the Verdon Gorge, often called the Grand Canyon of Europe. This stunning natural wonder, nestled in southeastern France, features turquoise waters running between towering limestone cliffs. The vivid contrast of colors here is truly breathtaking. The Verdun Gorge is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you choose to kayak through its serene waters, hike the countless trails offering panoramic views, or simply bask in the tranquility of its surroundings, this destination reconnects you with nature in the most profound way. The sheer beauty of this place is the ultimate reminder of France's diverse landscapes. As our journey continues, we make our way to the Loire Valley, often referred to as the Garden of France. This region is a living canvas of opulent chateaus, sprawling vineyards, and lush gardens, all radiating an atmosphere of timeless grandeur. Explore iconic castles like Château de Chambord, with its intricate design and spiral staircases, and Château de Chenonceau, spanning the tranquil waters of the Cher River. The Loire Valley is a testament to France's regal history, a place where kings and queens left their mark on the land. Beyond the castles, the valley's vineyards beckon wine lovers with their world-renowned selections. A visit to the Loire Valley is an immersion into history, culture, and natural beauty. Throughout our journey across France, one theme remains constant: its profound connection to art and imagination. Whether it's the artistic heritage of Paris, the inspiration that Provence's golden landscapes offered to painters, or the literary works brought to life among Normandy's cliffs, France has long been a muse for creators around the world. Every region whispers its own story, igniting your creativity and drawing you into its magical embrace. As a traveler, you're not just observing, you're becoming part of a legacy that celebrates beauty, creativity, and the art of living. To make the most of your journey, keep a few travel tips in mind. For a magical visit to Mont Saint-Michel, aim to see it during a spring tide when the water completely surrounds the island. Lavender fields in Provence are best visited during summer, usually from late June to mid-July, when they are in full bloom. And pack comfortable shoes for exploring cities like Paris or walking along the rugged trails of Etretat and the Verdun Gorge. Immerse yourself in the local culture by tasting traditional dishes, chatting with locals, and exploring markets in smaller towns. These authentic experiences often leave the most lasting impressions, turning your trip into a personal treasure. As our journey comes to an end, we hope these breathtaking locations have sparked your curiosity and reignited your sense of wonder. France is not just a destination, it is a feeling, an experience, and a story waiting to be told. From the grandeur of Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, from the coastal drama of Etretat to the opulence of the Loire Valley, each place adds another layer to the magic of this incredible country. France invites you to explore, to dream, and to connect with life's most beautiful moments. So pack your bags and let France redefine the way you see the world. Your journey awaits. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.